In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract just the numbers from a column of data. I was playing around with this week, and sometimes people put words in next to numbers that you would really like to average or add up or something. So, like for scientific tries, you can say 3 tries for this one and 4 tries for that one. And if they're late, let's say 10 minutes and 15 minutes, well, it's hard to add up them when they have the units attached to them. So I wrote a little piece of script here, and I'm going to my developer tab, and I'm going to my macros, and I'm going to run just numbers. And what it's going to do is it's just going to extract the numbers out of these cells. And so I'm going to run. And there we go. Then it's all there. And so then you can do stuff with these numbers now as opposed to previously. For example, you can take an average of them. And there you go. Your numbers, you're something you can work with. So I'll just go through the code. It's pretty simple. So I call it just numbers, character as long, remaining numbers as string, start string is a string, R is the row. And I'm saying for R equals 1 and do while R1 does not equal blank. No, I'm saying the remaining numbers equals is blank just so that you're not bringing the same number from the previous one. And start stringing equals sheet1.Cells R1. So whatever in the first column is what is our start string. And for each character, so for character 1 to character length from the start string, if it's a number, mid start string character 1, then renumbers equals numbers plus mid start string character 1. And if sheet1.Cells R2 equals renumbers. And so we go. So let me just click through, or I'll wipe this out for a second. And then I'll quickly just F8 through this and you can see it go. So, so it's gone to the first one, and it's going to put each number in as it goes through and not bring, there's a P halfway through this, so you can see go individually each through them. And so that's how you run code so that you can take just the numbers from a column of data. Please subscribe.